Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Canva Pro team invite link. Joining a Canva Pro team unlocks powerful collaborative features, making design work much more efficient. We will cover everything from understanding what a team invite is to successfully accepting one. This guide will help you seamlessly integrate into a professional design environment, allowing you to share and create with others. Get ready to elevate your design experience with a Canva Pro team. Receiving a Canva Pro team invite is straightforward. Typically, a team administrator or an existing team member will send you an invitation directly to your email address. This email will contain a unique link that, once clicked, will guide you through the process of joining their specific Canva Pro team. It is always a good idea to check your spam or junk folder if you do not see the invitation in your primary inbox within a few minutes of expecting it. This ensures you do not miss out on joining your new team. Once you have located the invitation email, the next step is to accept it. Simply click on the unique invitation link provided within the email. This link will take you to a Canva page where you will either log in to your existing Canva account or be prompted to create a new one if you do not already have one. After logging in or signing up, you will confirm your acceptance, and just like that, you will become a full-fledged member of the Canva Pro team, gaining access to all its premium features. Joining a Canva Pro team brings a wealth of benefits, especially for collaborative projects. As a team member, you gain immediate access to all the premium features of Canva Pro, including millions of stock photos, videos, and audio tracks. You can effortlessly share designs, provide feedback, and work together on projects in real time. Furthermore, teams often utilize a unified brand kit and a shared content library, ensuring consistency across all designs. This fosters a more efficient and cohesive design workflow for everyone involved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.